You hear all that craziness? Yeah, it's time for another chaotic Sam's Club shopping haul with me. Normally I try to avoid Sam's on Sundays just because it's usually so crowded, but today wasn't that bad. It was pretty manageable, so Gabe and I decided to divide and conquer. While he was grabbing our bottled water, I started to get up our staples. I grabbed these pineapple spears, which are one of his favorites. They're soaked in coconut water. He loves to have those. Next, I grabbed a box of Kool-Aid Jammers. We like to have these on hand in case we're like running to the park or something, just so the boys have something quick and easy to grab to drink. While I was grabbing these, I thought, you know what, let me go ahead and order a pizza for lunch so I don't have to stand in the line. It'll be ready when I'm done. And then I met up with Gabe and they were playing music and he, of course, was dancing. And, of course, I had to sing along to The Boy Is Mine because they were jamming. Next, I grabbed a box of Uncrustables. Yes, I know you can make these, but my boys are super particular. I'm glad they finally got the strawberry ones. And then Gabe is using the Scan and Go so we don't have to wait in line. Next, I'm going to grab these little country fried steaks. You pop these in the air fryer. It's a quick and easy dinner. I'll usually serve these with mashed potatoes and then like some kind of vegetable. Next, I'm grabbing French toast sticks. These are so easy for me to just throw in the oven for the boys for breakfast. And now I'm grabbing some cauliflower rice for me to make bowls with. And then these beer batter cod fillets. This is something else I throw in the air fryer for my boys for easy dinner or lunch. Next, I grabbed some frozen salmon. And then I started to get this fully cooked bacon by Hormel. But then I was like, hold up. Members Mark makes their own brand and it's cheaper. And of course, I have the African American urge to not grab the package right on top. I gotta get the one that's underneath. Next, I'm grabbing a bag of frozen raw shrimp to have on hand for different meals. I can do with bowls or put this on top of salmon. Then we went down the spice aisle. Y'all, I don't need any more spices, but Kinder Seasons has us in a chokehold. I don't know why I keep buying them. My spice cabinet is literally full. But I was out of this bourbon peach one. I used to put those on pork chops. And then I wanted to get this fajita blend. I tried it once, so when I saw it in Sam's in a bigger jar, I was like, why not? Had to grab some nonstick spray for cooking. Then I grabbed this box of cinnamon rolls. This is another easy breakfast. And once again, can't grab that front package. You got to get the one behind it. But this is an easy breakfast to make for my boys. Grabbing them some grapes, of course. Then I got some broccolini to serve with the salmon when we have salmon for dinner. I'm grabbing this chopped salad for Gabe and I to have for lunch. There's some chicken on there, some ground turkey for tacos, and then put in my dirty rice with the salmon I'm gonna make. Then y'all, this braised pork with hatch green chili sauce is so good. It's easy to make and I served it with some brown rice. We got a bunch of other stuff, but like I said, Gabe and I had divided and conquered, so I didn't record all of it, but he's getting it loaded up while, you know, I'm just standing there looking cute recording as he loads the car up. But you also see I got some strawberries, bananas, oranges, I got some Pop-Tarts, and some other stuff. So now I'm home. I was going to do a cute little setup, like, oh, look at everything I got, but I had to get the stuff from the freezer, and I was trying to hurry up. The boys were acting up. And the dog was going crazy. Gabe was trying to get everything in. So I was like, I'll just kind of record and show what we got the best I can. We just had a lot of stuff. The stuff was like over like $340 some. But we got a good amount of stuff. And this will last us a while. Like, this grocery haul probably is gonna last us a few weeks for sure. Some of the stuff will probably last us for the rest of the month. I know some of the stuff we're gonna obviously go through quickly, but for the most part, we're stocked up for a minute. Like I said, I just grabbed our staples, and I'm so grateful that I am able to do this. Nothing brings me joy than having a full fridge and full pantry for my family and making things easier. I need to organize this pantry, but yeah, for the most part, we got everything we needed, got all our staples, got drinks and easy to grab things and easy to fix meals. So obviously I didn't record everything, so I was like, I'll just include the receipts so you could see the stuff that I didn't have on here when I recorded earlier. But thank y'all for shopping with me. Bye.